Hello my gorgeous people, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, in today's video, as you can see, I don't have any makeup on. I'm going to be doing a spring summertime makeup look. Super easy, super natural. This is my go-to makeup routine and literally it takes like 10 minutes, super fast. So I'm excited to show you the products that I use. I'm super basic when it comes to makeup in the summer and springtime because I do not want to have a whole bunch of makeup on in the sun. So we're going to begin with no makeup tutorial. So the first product I'm going to use on my face is from Tula Skincare, and this is the Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel, and this has the SPF 30. I love this because it gives you that nice glow. If you don't want to wear makeup and just want to wear this, you can. Your face will look super glowy. I'm going to place that on my face, and I use this amount, not too much, and then I just put it all over my face, and you already can see how my face is already starting to glow. And guys, you should be using your SPF all the time, winter, summer. You're trying to prevent wrinkles from coming, and this is the perfect way to prevent it because the sun is beautiful. I love the heat, but it can also not be your best friend. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to be using my primer. I've been liking this primer. At the moment, it literally blurs all your imperfection. This is the One Size Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer. I'm using this right here. I love this primer so much. It's a little expensive, but it does the work really well. I don't know if you guys used this one before, the Tasha, the Silk Canvas. It's actually a dupe for this. So this, I got it a smaller size. They got a bigger size, but this is also a little pricey. But I do like these two products, especially for the summer, because it literally blurs out your imperfection and it smooths out your dark circles and stuff. So I really like this so much. So I'm going to be using this to prime my face. This is what's going to give me that smooth and beautiful summery glow. So I'm going to place that all over my face, especially underneath the eyes, a little bit on my forehead. I don't know if you ever tried this before, but it feels so cooling in your face. Like, it feels great on your skin. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to be using my Bennett tint from Benefit. And this is what I usually do first before I put my foundation. I grab a little bit like this and I just dab it here on my cheekbones, and I dab it up here, and then I just put some on my lips. Just to give it some color. I know I look crazy, guys, but bear with me. Then I use a little brush like this and I just pat this all over my skin. It's okay if it drips because you're going to cover it with foundation, but I like using this first as a base so my face look a little more natural in the summertime and just look super glowy, and it doesn't look like I have too much cake of makeup on. That's how the skin looks with the Bennett tint. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using this foundation at the moment, and this is Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. I have 4W1 Honey Bronze, and it's this right here. So I just use a little bit of this, not too much, and I use my e.l.f. brush. Love this for foundation. I just dab it all over my face. I'm not blending it yet. But this color is super perfect right now for my skin tone. But you see how it's just covering the blush, but it's still underneath your skin. So now I'm going to use concealer underneath my eyes. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish, and this is in medium sand. A little bit of concealer. I don't put too much. And I definitely put some on my nose just to highlight the bridge of my nose. And then let it sit for a little bit, and then I just start blending. And all I'm doing is just pressing it in and then bringing it out. This takes like 10 minutes if I'm doing this without like recording. If I have to, I literally do this in the car also. I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty, and this is the Pro Filter in 300. I'm just going to use a paddle brush and just use a little bit and just put that all over my face just to set that foundation in. So now I'm gonna contour my cheekbones, and I'm gonna be using Fenty Beauty Cocoa Naughty. I'm going to bring it up top. I've been putting my bronzer higher now, which I do see a huge difference. It like lift up my face, and I do have a round face, so this been helping me out, and I'm loving this technique. So this is what I've been doing different. And then of course I gotta do my forehead, because we all know this girl has a huge forehead. When I used to do my bronzer, I used to do it like right here, and now I do it up here, which I do see a huge difference. Now I'm going to put a little bit of blush, and I'm going to be using this one from Weekend Vibes. I love this, especially for the spring and summer, because look how gorgeous are the colors. Super beautiful. I'm loving the orange, the peachy color. I just love all this for that spring time. Let me tell you, it looks beautiful. So what I do is I just like to grab these two and just place it on top of my cheekbones, and it just gives me a beautiful dolly effect and just really awake. And I can go overboard with blush. I really don't mind it, and it's already giving me beautiful springtime, summertime vibes. So now I'm going to be using this is my Fenty Beauty setting powder in butter. And I'm just going to use my little puff, and I'm just going to set underneath my eyes. I don't have to do too much because I didn't put too much concealer. But I do like going right here on my nose. I'll let that sit for a little bit, and then we'll brush it out. But I'm going to use this again because I feel like it's going away from all the makeup that I use. But literally I use this and that's it. I don't have to use anything else. And then I'm just going to highlight my nose. I'm going to be using this, and this is the Laura Seller. And I just love putting it on my nose. It just make me look so youthful. Like, look how beautiful is that? And I like to put it on top here too. Just like that. I like using this on top of my cheekbones. So usually I'd be done, and then this is all I use. I just spray my face. I use my Fenty Beauty spray, and I just spray it, and then I just call it a day and I'd be done. But because I've been into this eyeliner stamp, I did a video on this, probably like my last video. I did a video on this, and I love this stamp so much, and I've been practicing, and I really enjoy this so much. I will also link this down below. I got this off of Amazon. If you guys don't know how to do a wing liner and you're trying to perfect it, try to get something like this, because this actually really works, and I've been really enjoying this right now. So like I said, I usually keep my look like this, but since I've been using this wing liner, I just been into the cat eye look, and this been helping me so much. So I will link these products down below. I'm gonna use my right eye, and I'm just gonna stamp it just like that. And I'm going to be using this, the Inner Pen Eye Method Beauty, and I'm using the skinny stem now because I don't want it too thick. But super easy, my natural makeup look, but that's it. Boom. beautiful. All right, guys, so this is my spring and summertime look, no makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy this. I really did like this, and this is usually what I do almost every single day. But if you guys do like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until my next video, guys, bye.